On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make super delicious and easy chilaquiles rojos. Chilaquiles are one of my favorite breakfasts, and I'm gonna top it off with an over easy egg. If you guys don't know how to make it, let me show you guys how. We're gonna start off by preparing our sauce for the chilaquiles. Add the water. Add 8 New Mexico chili pods that I've already washed and cleaned. 4 chiles de arbol and 2 roma tomatoes. And now we just let them boil. The chiles and the tomatoes are now ready. We're gonna put them in the blender. Add in some of the water. We're also gonna add 1 garlic clove and 2 teaspoons of salt. And now we blend. I'm gonna be using 15 tortillas that I'm gonna cut into triangles. Now that our salsa is ready, it's time to start frying the tortillas. I've already set up a pan with oil. I like to add them to the oil individually so that the tortillas don't stick together. The tortillas are not fried, and now it's time to transfer them into the plate, and we'll keep doing the same for the rest of the tortillas. The tortillas are not fried. I'm gonna add some oil to the pan. Add in 1/4 of a white onion. As you can see, the onion now looks fried, and we're gonna add the salsa mix. We're gonna let the sauce simmer for about 3 minutes, and this is a perfect time for you to check to see if you need more salt. For me, this is just perfect. The sauce has been simmering for about 3 minutes, and it's now time to add the tortillas. And now we just make sure that they're soaked with the salsa. The chilaquiles are now ready. It's time to serve. It already smells so delicious. We're gonna add some crema mexicana. Some queso cotija. Queso you can use fresco. I personally love it with queso cotija. You can use fresco, or you can even use any kind of melting cheese. Then I'm gonna add some avocado, aguacatito que no puede faltar. And last, we're gonna add a fried egg. And there you have it, delicious chilaquiles rojos. Alright guys, that's it for this one. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye!